Please like, share and subscribe. Saussurea obvallata, commonly known as the Brahma Kamal, is a species of flowering plant native to the Himalayan region, particularly found in India, Nepal, and Tibet. It belongs to the Asteraceae family, which is the daisy or sunflower family. The plant is renowned for its striking appearance and cultural significance in the region. Here are some key points about Saussurea obvallata. 1. Appearance. The plant typically grows at high altitudes, between 3,000 to 4,600 meters, 9,800 to 15,100 feet, above sea level. It has large showy white flowers with a yellow center, often compared to a lotus in appearance. The flowers are surrounded by greenish-yellow bracts, giving them an attractive and distinctive look. 2. Cultural significance. Saussurea obvallata holds significant cultural and religious importance in the Himalayan region, especially in Hinduism and Buddhism. It is considered sacred and is often associated with various myths, legends, and religious ceremonies. 3. Habitat. This plant is typically found in alpine meadows, rocky slopes, and shrubby areas in the Himalayas. It thrives in well-drained soil and requires plenty of sunlight. 4. Medicinal uses. In traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda, certain parts of the Saussurea obvallata plant are used for medicinal purposes. It is believed to possess various therapeutic properties and is used to treat ailments such as fever, inflammation, respiratory problems, and digestive issues. 5. Conservation. Due to its popularity and cultural significance, Saussurea obvallata has faced threats from overharvesting and habitat destruction. Efforts are being made to conserve this species and its fragile mountain ecosystems. 6. Legal protection. In many regions, including parts of India, Saussurea obvallata is legally protected from unauthorized harvesting and trade to prevent its decline. Overall, Saussurea obvallata is not only a beautiful and unique plant species but also an integral part of the cultural and ecological landscape of the Himalayas. Efforts to conserve and protect it are essential for preserving biodiversity and cultural heritage in the region.